Hello friends, welcome back. This is Ansi and today is an interesting video on this Enchiveria. Last Sunday I was cleaning this plant and then it accidentally actually fell from my hand, and that's when I noticed there was this ants buzzing around or like just coming out of the succulent soil. To tell you, I had not changed the soil. It was in the same pot and the soil was also same, so I was thinking maybe there is moisture in the succulent soil and that's the reason it has attracted a lot of ants to it. Now this became an opportunity for me to check out why would ants come to a beautiful succulent like this, and this is what I found. Well, with a lot of research I found that in case there is an attack of mealybugs, aphids and other pests, ants are attracted to the soil because they love the dew that is given out by the mealybugs. So I was shocked and I was like in a situation thinking, do succulents get infected by mealybugs? So then started the process of inspecting the entire succulent and getting rid of the succulent soil. The first thing that I did was kept the succulent along with the potting mix in the sunlight for 2 hours straight. I waited for the entire ants to move out of the soil mix, and till then it was a waiting period for me. After letting it dry out for this 2 hours, the next thing that I did was gave it a thorough wash and got rid of the entire sand and soil from the roots. Also what I did was I soaked the roots of this plant into an insecticide mixed in water. Not for long, maybe maximum I've kept it for like 5 minutes, just so that in case there are ants still present or there is some infestation, it would like get rid here. I thoroughly checked entire plant, the leaves of this plant, to see if there is any mealybugs present. Now mealybugs are this tiny whitish color insects. Now, if you're looking for it, yes, you may find it, but otherwise you may just overlook it and not even pay attention to the insect because it's really tiny and small. I had to change the soil. Here I've taken 70% of river sand and the balance 30% is I've taken coco peat, I've taken perlite and I've taken some gravel and used this as a mixture for repotting this Enchiveria. Now this succulent was under observation for the entire last week, just to be sure that it is not under any attack of mealybugs and aphids, and I did not find any. And after a week it is looking like this. It is looking fresh, and it has got its color back also. So this is captured today after its weekly watering as bottom watering, and this is how it looks today after a week. So I'm assuming that the ants were present because of the moisture in the succulent mix used by the nursery when it was sold to me, because many a times this coco peat holds on to moisture and ants may possibly try to stay in there for the coolness. That is the assumption that I'm having because I couldn't locate any insects or infestation of any insects. That is all friends. Thank you so much. Hope it was useful because I experienced this for the first time. and I hope it was beneficial. Thank you so much for watching. I see you again in the next one. Thank you.